What are we gonna hear?
Ito nga, before I answer that, si Michael may dalawa na siyang kanta naka-reserve because may request na si Mama Lily at saka si Atty. Luzada. Atty. Luzada wants Sugar. It has to be the show.
Yun, hindi ko alam yun.
Oh, si Mama Lily wants Thinking Out Loud in the show. So the rest of the songs,
Very
kailangan na
updated.
may request agad eh. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Paano ba? Siguro there will be collaborations pa sa mga artists. Within the artists, of course, yung mga spots po namin will be a variety of kung ano po yung mga kakayahan namin. Siguro, ako po, mga originals ko po, originals, pupatayan. And siguro yung mga napapakinggan po sa mga audience din sa akin and sa mga new covers din po. Siguro yun yung sa akin.
Yung sa akin naman po yun, hindi ko alam na yun pala, may requested songs pala. May lineup na pala ako. So siguro po mag-add na lang ako ng yung mga like the career single ng second album ko ngayon na available na sa lahat. Nag-promote na rin ako. Ayun, available po sa lahat ng record bars yung second album ko. And yun, kakantayin ko po yung career single ko dito sa concert na to. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala yung mga gusto nilang ma-requested songs na na.
For the ladies of Lucky 7 Koi Productions, what are your dream projects or projects lined up after this powerhouse?
You want my dream? To bring Adele to the Philippines. From app only. We don't have the budget eh.
Kaya mo yan ba?
Oo nga po. Kaya mo
That's my dream. I only have two dreams. To bring Adele in the Philippines and Barbara Streisand. What else can you ask for? Problem is we don't have the money. So if they would agree, there's the CEO, Robert. They could agree to just give us two songs. Maybe that's all we can afford. But beyond that, we cannot. If only we can afford. But sincerely speaking, no, that's really our dream. That is not a joke. That's really my dream. But we plan to, which we will try to propose to Soler, to give us the opportunity to hold 3 or 4 concerts a year. But we have already agreed, this is actually a plan. First, we would try to bring the reunion of River Maya, Rico Blanco, and Bamboo. Now, those are the things that something innovative. Now, we also plan to have, well, these are all plans, dreams. Lea Salonga, here at Soler, these are big plans. So, problem is, if we cannot make this initial venture successful, how do you think Soler will believe us? So we need all the help we can get, especially from you, our friends from the press. Can we count on that? Yes. Thank you so much. After all, this is just a start. We start from here and we'll go a long, long way with you. Walang iwanan tayo dito. Okay?